Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to easily create a class manager using Notion, perfect for teachers who want a smarter, more organized way to manage their classes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking workspace ready to track students, assignments, and schedules, all customizable to your own needs. Let's jump straight in. For this demo, we'll be using Notion's free class manager template. Templates are such a time saver, and Notions are designed to look really sleek and professional right out of the box. The best part? You can always customize them later to fit your personal vibe or class specifics. Think of them like pre-built Lego sets. You can have something impressive quickly and still tweak different pieces as you go. The first step is simple but crucial. Open Notion and look up at the top left corner. You're going to click the drop-down that says More Options. If this is your first time, take a moment. There are a lot of controls in Notion, but most live up at the top. Hitting that drop-down gives you access to more advanced functions, including template browsing. This is where Notion really shines. Instead of building a whole dashboard from scratch, we let Notion do the heavy lifting for us. Now, select Browse Templates. You'll see a huge array pop up with templates for all sorts of things like note-taking, wikis, and project management. But for our classroom needs, let's stay focused and type Class Manager into the search bar. Notion doesn't limit you to just one. You may find quite a few templates made by both Notion and other users, each with their own approach. Spend a few moments browsing the previews. Look for the layout that matches your teaching style. Do you want a simple student list, a calendar of assignments, or maybe even a dashboard that tracks grades and attendance? Don't worry if you're unsure right now. You can always swap templates later. Once you've found a class manager template you like, simply click Add. Notion will instantly create a new workspace using that template. No waiting, no complicated setup. You'll see some example content loaded in, meant to show you how the template works. This is the base, and now it's yours to personalize. Let's make it your own. Go ahead and start updating the credentials, the class name, course section, or even your school logo if the template has a spot for it. These little details make a big difference, especially if you're sharing the workspace with colleagues or students. Next, you can begin adding your own creatives. By creatives, I mean things like lesson plans, assignment sheets, grade rubrics, or even inspirational quotes to help motivate your students. Notion is flexible here. You can drag in files, reorder blocks, or even embed Google Docs, worksheets, or YouTube videos. Maybe you want this dashboard to reflect your teaching style or subject. Feel free to customize colors, icons, and cover images. This is the fun part. For example, if you teach elementary math, spice it up with fun icons or math graphics. If you're a history teacher, maybe you want a classic scholarly vibe. Just take your time and iterate. Notion makes it easy to change anything later on. And that's it. With just a handful of clicks, you've turned Notion from a blank canvas into a powerful professional class manager. If you get stuck or need inspiration, remember you can always revisit the template library or ask other teachers for ideas. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, drop a comment below if you have any questions or classroom tips to share, and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tutorials and teacher-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!